Yeah. Key, bruh. Did you drop off your resume at Costco? Yeah, bro. But the manager wasn't up. What do you mean? I asked him for his snap, then he said they weren't hiring. Face palm emoji. Yeah. Tell mom we're out of protein powder. Just make some mix, bro. Why we gotta be ingredients house? You'll survive without protein powder for a couple days. I'm gonna lose my gym gains, bro. Thumbs up emoji. Hey dad, I found a used BMW online for $50,000. Hard no, bro, that BMW is fire. How about a used Toyota Corolla for $10,000? Bruh, that's mid, it's not a mid-size SUV. It's a car and you're gonna be driving it.